Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rodney. Today I'm having a very interesting opportunity to share with you, which is from the Australian government and the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. So it's an Australian award scholarship, guys, which is a very interesting scholarship, which is aimed at providing opportunities for young people from developing countries, particularly those countries located in the Indo-Pacific region. Very much important. So this scholarship, it's currently open, and then it is closing on the 31st of May in 2021. So it's better for you to make that application if you are from the following countries. So if you are from Asia, from these countries, your Bangladesh, your Bhutan, and Nepal, and all these countries, or from the Pacific, your Fiji, your Samoa, and also Palestinian territories, you can apply for these scholarships. So in terms of what is it that is covered, which is the most important thing, normally I prefer fully funded scholarships. So the benefits, you have your full tuition fees, your return air flight, your establishment allowance, man, which is good, your contribution to living expenses, introductory academic program. So this one is a compulsory program prior to the commencement of your formal education, where they teach you about your living and studying in Australia, and all those things that you're going to need as an international student. And your supplementary academic support is also provided, which is very much great. And then moving on, if we look at the how to apply, which is very much important in terms of what you can do. So here you're going to go to apply online, and then you're going to click on the Australian scholarship information system. We click on this one, and then it should take you to, if you have not registered, it should take you to a page where it says log on or register. So you will register as a new user. So because I've already registered, so I'm going to go to applications that I've tried to create to get a clear sense of what is happening. And then so you're going to click on here. And so for you, it's going to new application, and then you will click on that. And then so you are going to complete, there's a checklist here. If you can check checklist. So this is the checklist that you're supposed to make sure that you've completed your personal information, your spouse details, children, emergency contact, previous scholarships if you are awarded, scholarship applications, proposed study program, what is that you want to study, your qualification, and then your, it's still opening the other one here, your English language testing system, and then so that you can upload that, and then your computer literacy, previous employment, your current employment if you're employed, supporting statements, why do you feel that you should be awarded a scholarship, professional membership, communication, and all that. So it's not an exhausting process, so you can do that in a speed of light. So so that's more of the scholarship that you need to do. And then I hope that you apply and you get awarded the scholarship, provided you are from that same country that I've mentioned there. So that's it. Let me leave you and love you, and all the best in your scholarship application. And then I'm going to talk to you very soon. Mostly I would prefer that every Friday that I release videos updating you on new scholarships and also fellowships and bursaries. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will ask you to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification ring or bell so that you are updated on future videos that I'm going to do. So have yourself a productive week. Signing out. Bye.